Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are making to-do list with a JavaScript. So let me first show you. It is a main interface जहाँ हमारे सारे टास्क शो होंगे. After clicking the plus button, यहाँ पे हम अपने सारे टास्क लिखेंगे जो भी हमें करने हैं. After clicking the button, the task will be displayed in the main interface. और यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया तो हम टिक पे कर देंगे. हमें रिफ्रेश करने पे मिल जाएगा. मैं क्रॉस कर दूँ इसको, हमें वापस इसे खोलूँ, तब भी हमारे टास्क नहीं जाएंगे. Then if I will click the cross, then it will be deleted. So let's start it. आपको दिखाता हूँ मैंने क्या क्या अप्लाई करा है. First I have created a add button in which I have stored my add button class, this one, and I have an extra button in which I have the interface of my this enter task interface. It is stored in my this button, and after I have a back button. In the interface, this back button will change the interface. I have done button. After clicking it, the task will be displayed in main interface. Then I have input text from which I am getting the input. Then I have a UL. It is the main interface. इधर जहाँ मेरे सारे task जो भी show हो रहे हैं, this is that. Then I am setting the UL inner HTML, a data which I am getting from the local storage. I will explain afterwards what it is doing and what data we are getting from our local storage. I am putting an event listener in this plus button. On clicking on this button, I have set a task. The data I have stored in my extra button. I am putting a style property on it of left 0%. After clicking it, my new task interface is coming to right to left. The property I have set left 0%. It is coming to left 0%. Then I have put a black button, also event listener. Click this back button in which I have clicking and putting a property of left 100%. I am sending back it to its initial position. Then I put a add event listener to my done button in which I am checking first the value of input tag is empty or not. Okay, if it is empty, then it will not work, and if it is not empty, then only it will work. Then I am sending back the second interface back to its position. Then I have created an li in which I have created an li tag with it, and then I am setting the inner text of li, the value of the input tag. The value I will get from this input tag I am setting as that inner text of that li. Then I am doing the value of input text as empty string. Let us show you why that I have created doing this, and there is the value what I have written is already there. So to clear that, I am doing the empty string. If I write anything, then it will remove from the input text. Then I am doing append on my li. I am sending it to the my UL, and then I have created my span tag. In setting I am the in HTML of this is a code, this from for Xcode. With this help of code, I am getting my value of X, and I am setting it as inner HTML of my span tag. Then I am appending that span into my li tag. Then I am sending the to-do UL inner HTML to my local storage. Local storage is a storage in our browser in which we can save our data, and it will not be deleted if the page is refreshed or not. It will always there. As you see, it has many properties like clear. It removes all the data from the local storage, get item, key, length, remove item. All these are property of local storage. So with the help of local storage, I am saving my data into the local storage. We can save data in a local storage in a string format, and with the help of the property of local storage set item, I am saving my to-do UL in an HTML to my local storage. It takes the key and value in the pair. So I am setting the key HTML to set item, and the value of HTML I am setting to-do UL.inner HTML. So the new data that I am getting from the inner HTML, I am saving it to local storage on the click of done button. So let I give you a summary what happened here. पहले मैंने एक li को क्रिएट कर, जो मेरे को वैल्यू मिल रही है मेरे इनपुट टैग से, वो मैंने उस li के टेक्स्ट में रख दिया, और उसको टेक्स्ट को मैंने क्या किया, अपने UL के अंदर उसको अपेंड करवा लिया, और उसके बाद मैंने एक स्पैन क्रिएट करा अपना, और उसके बाद मैंने उसके इनर HTML में मैंने एक कोड देखा जिससे मेरे पास एक एक्स की वैल्यू आ रहा है, जिसे क्लिक करके मैं अपना डिलीट कर रहा हूँ उसको। तो वो मैंने उसमें स्पैन में डाला और स्पैन को मैंने अपने LI के अंदर मैंने पुश करवा लिया, और जो मेरी इनर HTML थी वो मैंने एट द एंड अपने लोकल स्टोरेज में स्टोर करवा ली। उसके बाद मैंने इवेंट डिजाइन लगा दिया अपने टू डू यूएल में, इन विच ऑल माई टास्क आर डिस्प्लेइंग। उसमें मैंने अपना इवेंट डिजाइन लगा दिया, हेयर इट इज़ माई टू डू यूएल and taken a parameter called value. You can take anything and put a if statement if my value dot target dot tag name is triple equal to span. So let I first explain you what it is. With the help of target I am getting the element in which I am clicking. So I have put in that if I click an element, give me the tag name of that, and I am checking that if the tag name in which it is clicked, if it is a span, then I am removing its parent node. That means the parent node of span is LI, because span is under LI, so LI it is parent node. So on click of span I am removing that LI from the UL. So let us show you what it is happening. When I will do the console.log what I am doing above, if I do that value dot target dot tag name, if I console.log I will show you what it will show us in the console. So let's print it. Let I enter a task here, and now I show you. When I click on that LI, it is show us that in which we are clicking it is LI, and when I click on it cross, it is showing it is span. So it is that only, it is giving us in that which are clicking, and I am doing it an if statement. If it is click and if its class is span, then I am removing its parent node, that is LI. So let I show you. When I go to browser and add a task here, and if I will click it across, it will delete my parent node parent element which is LI, else I am toggling my class. If I show you what class it is, if I click on LI, you can see completed and green dot is coming. It is coming from a toggle class. I have created a class name toggle class. I show you. In that I have initialized a before, in which I have given it background color green. The dot it is coming, it is a background color green, and the completed I have set it is after, in which I have content set it completed. On click of that, I am using the classless property toggle, by which it is showing us completed and dot, and again then I am setting my new inner HTML to the local storage. So let us take you above here where I set in the inner HTML, the local storage data I am storing in it. Now you know that my local storage has the inner HTML of my UL. So let I first show you what is in my local storage. When I go to my console and I print local storage and the key which I have set it, the key which I have set it there was HTML. So when I write local storage or HTML, it will give the value of the key which I have set it. Here I have received LI class, toggle class, the whole inner HTML of my UL, and I have written another thing, and then when I again print the local storage or HTML, then I will receive a new inner HTML. It has now two LIs, and if I do a console.log clear, you can see it is another property of it. It clears the whole data inside the local storage. My all data has gone now. So that is for today's video. We have made a to-do list. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video till end. Meet you guys in the next video.